I don't know where to start this one. It'd be usually this boat came in. It did come in. He actually bought a carburetor from us and bought a starter and then said the carburetor wasn't right. But other than that, we just started it up and it was backfiring, carrying on. The firing order 137265548. 1364758. So if you pull the spark plug wires, this one doesn't do any different, this isn't different, this isn't different, this isn't different. You can pull those four off, it runs exactly the same. So it's running on 1, 3, 5, and 8. So that's why it sounds so bad, is because he's got 4 of the spark plug wires in the wrong place. And I quizzed him about that when we started up and it backfired and everything. He said, I don't think I've had the spark plug wires off. I knew that was what it was. And he put a starter on it and the starter broke, and he brought it back and said the starter wasn't any good. It was backfiring because it's out of time, because the spark plug wires are on wrong. So that's just where we are today.